Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we're going to be dipping into dip powders from Nellie Belle's. Now the three colors you see here are part of the Belle's bundle for the week. And the first color we're going to dive into today is Cheyenne, which is a beautiful bright red orange. It also glows in the dark. It is gorgeous. It is everything. You will see here that the three colors that we're using today are perfect for the summer and the hot summer night season. They're just bright and vibrant and they apply so well. You can see here with that first dip. We are using dip liquids today, and you will notice as well when we get into that gorgeous Poison Poppies, which is like a really bright watermelon pink. You will notice that I originally was just going to do one nail, and then I decided at the end there, nope, we are going to do two nails because that color was so gorgeous. And then we're going to get into a really pretty glitter that's also a thermal called Allegra. So let's dive right into this mani process, and then I will pop back in just a little bit.
About to leave, already packing, come with me. I'm not really asking, we'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's go, let's be free with me. Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche, we're on the run, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow, we can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free.
Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you. Kinda used to these battlegrounds. cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright. Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. You make me wanna do better. I don't know why. You make me wanna do better. You make me wanna do better. I don't know why. I don't know why.
All right, and here's the finished mani. I love it so much. I think it's really simple, but yet we have that pop of glitter, and also that glitter nail Allegra is also a thermal, so it fades into like a light pink a little bit, but it's very pretty and very subtle, and it just, the thermal change really just ties in the mani completely. And I just feel like it's like a warm tropical sunset kind of mani, and I'm totally here for it. Now Poison Poppies is gorgeous, paired with Cheyenne, and this color combination is everything. So this week, these three colors are part of a Belle's bundle, so it's going to be at a discounted rate. It's going to be available for 20% off. So you can get this beautiful set here of 3 in sample sizes for under $12, and you can also use my code. I will link it in the description box below, and you can save an additional savings as well. But I just feel like these 3 colors here are just like perfect, especially if you like these bright, vibrant colors, and then that glitter is so pretty. Even on its own, you can do so many things with these colors. I just think they complement each other so well, and I cannot stop staring at this mani with these bright, vibrant colors. They apply it amazingly with the dip liquids. You can see here that they're not patchy, streaky. They are very, very bright and just gorgeous. Perfect for those warm summer nights ahead. So I will go ahead and link everything that we use in today's mani in that description box below, and I'll see you all in the next upload.